Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add FuboTV to a Samsung Smart TV and how to use your iPhones to sign in easily. Let's get started. First, turn on your Samsung Smart TV and make sure it's connected to the internet. Using your TV remote, press the home button. From the menu, go to the apps. This opens the Samsung App Store. In the search bar, type Fubo. When you see the app, select it and choose install. Wait a few seconds for the app to download. Once it's done, select open. Now the Fubo app will launch on your TV. You will see a sign in screen with an activation code or a button that says sign in. Now pick your iPhone, open Safari on your iPhone and go to fubo.tv.connect. Sign in to your Fubo account using your email and password. Next, enter the activation code shown on your Samsung TV. Tap continue or activate. After a moment, your Samsung Smart TV will refresh and Fubo will open automatically. That means your TV is now linked to your account. And that's it. That's how to add Fubo to a Samsung Smart TV using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.